Hello boys and girls, we are making here is butter, yogurt, chicken, masala, and it's very tasty. It's a homemade cooking and it's very nice and it's very simple. You can make it at home. It's warm, nice, tasty and too delicious, and yet I want to say is that it's very yummy. It's very tasty. The ingredients you need is yogurt, which is also called dahi, and you need 2 butter, which is Amul. You can get it for around 5 or 6 rupees in Indian market. And also you need a tomato, you need garlic paste, you need onion, and also you need chili for making it. And also you need add chicken, which is around 500 grams for making the recipe. You also need is garam masala, chicken masala, jeera powder, chili mirch, and Kashmiri Mirch for making this ingredient. First of all, you need to just hot dry pan the pan with oil and all, and you just need to put is garlic and ginger paste in it. Now you have to put is an onion in it, because onion is a first priority to make it fry, and also you need it to make it fry. I'm going to put an onion in it and also the chili in it, which is called pepper in English, and I have put a pepper in it. And now it's the time to put a tomato in it. I need to cook the tomato for making recipe, which is I have to make it dry, nice, firm and wetty style. I have to make it. So further cooking, it takes around 20 minutes of cooking that tomato to make it dry. You actually need to make the tomato dry, and also you need to make it like a gravy style and all. Now put a salt in it as per required. No, it's actually butter in it. You need actually, first of all, you should need to put butter in it and also a yogurt in it. Sorry for that, the salt is later ingredients you have to give after that the salt. Sorry for saying that I am giving salt. First you have to do is you have to give butter in it, and also you need to give an yogurt, and you have to stir, and you have to close the lid for cooking it around 2 to 3 minutes so that the things become dry. After making it dry, just stir well nicely. You just need to do is the recipe of tomato. You need to make it dry so that it becomes taste good and nice. After that you should put salt in it. I'm going to put salt a little bit later, but still if you like you can put salt in it. Now for cooking the chicken, you need to dry actually you need to pan hot the oil very nicely and goodly, and you just need to put a garlic in it, and garlic paste in it, and also you need to put onion in it and stir well nicely firmly the garlic and onion in it. And now you just need to make you actually need to make the chicken dry fry. So just put the chicken in it and cook it very nicely. You need to dry, so don't give water in it. You just need to make the chicken dry fry, so cook nicely firmly giving dry fry, and put masala in it. I'm putting the masala of jeera powder in it, and now I'm putting a masala of garam masala in it, and I'm mixing it well. And now the thing is you have to put salt. Before I said that you need to put salt, but the thing is you have to put salt later, because the salt gives wetty. If you put earlier, if you give afterwards the salt, it becomes dry, nice, not wetty. Now you have to give turmeric powder in it and stir it very nicely and firmly. I have given all the masala in it: jeera masala, chicken masala, and meat masala, and red chili powder in it, and also meat masala in it, sorry. And now I'm putting it garlic in it. You can see garlic. Now I'm giving the flavor for the taste of red chili powder, so it becomes more spicy. And also for the color, I'm putting a Kashmiri Mirch, but it's not for the color, it's for the recipe, because it makes the recipe good, nice red color. So I'm giving Kashmiri Mirch. It's actually not a color powder, but it's actually a pepper with no high power of heat. So now I'm mixing with the ingredients that I have cooked before, and now I'm going to stir it very nicely and firmly. This recipe needs around 1 hour to cook it. You have to cook it in low medium flame. And now I'm putting again the butter in it so that it becomes nicely and the ingredients taste in it. Now I put a water in it so that it becomes cooked nicely. You have to give water in it to cook it nicely and firmly, and I'm closing the lid so that the things cook nicely, and again I'm cooking it nicely. I'm waiting for the dry. Now I am going to exchange the taste by giving an egg, because egg is the priority of making this recipe. It's actually a butter chicken masala with yogurt, with butter, with egg. So you need to put an egg in it for the taste. And it's about to get dry. I'm cooking it nicely firmly. You don't need to give high flame. This is the butter. You can see again I'm giving the butter for the taste, and again I'm giving Kashmiri Mirch. It's actually no high power of heat. It's actually for the color, actually for the taste. It's actually not color thing, but it's actually for the taste. Now you can see the recipe. It's firmly nice cooked. It's gravy type and it's very tasty. You can have it at home nicely and firmly. It's very tasty. You will enjoy with your family, friends, and you will actually love it, because it's the tastiest delicious thing I ever created, and it's very nice. So have fun, take it. Please like, subscribe my channel, comment if you like it. If you don't like it, just dislike it. That's all. Thank you.